To make apple cinnamon pancakes for 2 people, I'm going to take a blender jar and I will add 2 cups of rolled oats into the jar. You can use any kind of oats. And then I'll grind it into a fine powdery consistency. And I will add 2 roughly chopped apples into the jar. This is going to be a 1 jar recipe, so all the ingredients will be added into the jar and then we'll start making the recipe. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of low-fat milk. You can also use full-fat milk. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. 2 teaspoons of jaggery powder. Half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. At last, I will add 2 eggs. And then I'll blend the contents completely into a smooth paste. This is the consistency. Now I will heat a pan and I will add some oil into it. You can use butter as well. When the oil heats up, I will take a spoonful of the paste and I'll add it into the pan. Once bubbles start forming on the surface of the pancakes, flip it. Our pancakes are now ready. Let's serve them on a plate and enjoy them. If you want, you can pour some chocolate sauce or maple syrup or honey onto them and enjoy your pancakes.